If you own a Toyota or Lexus and do your own oil changes, this video is for you. With the OEM filter, you get a release valve to use on the cartridge that the filter is put in, but it doesn't look like this. It's just a click-in valve. This valve that you're looking at is, believe it or not, purchased at Walmart. You get it for free with the SuperTech filter, and it's a screw-in my opinion, much superior. How I have modified it and improved it, basically I've made it very similar to a tool that you'd pay roughly 25 bucks, probably plus shipping for. And this is for most size Toyota and Lexus engines. Basically, you go to Home Depot, you buy your filter at Walmart, you get this free thing. You go to Home Depot, you buy some tubing, just small enough to where this won't fit into it. Then you throw this tubing in the dryer for about 5 minutes, and it'll get warm and pliable, 3 to 5 minutes. And then you take it out and real quick slide this in. And then you've just made yourself roughly a 25-ish to 30-ish dollar tool, almost nearly for free. That's it. Most size engines, Toyota and Lexus.